A few days later. Still not coming, huh? Why so stubborn, Andrew? Scarlett, I was thinking of making kimchi as a side dish for today. The food needs to be prepared before your father comes home, so he doesn't have to wait, but we don't have all the ingredients for it. I was thinking of buying them from the nearby shop. Well then, I'll go get dressed. No, Scarlett, you should stay home and clean the house until I come back so there isn't much work left to do, and we can start cooking right away. I understand. Take care and be back soon. Okay then. Since the kitchen has already been taken care of, I will go clean up the rooms. Beep. The doorbell? Mom? I walk over to the door to open it. Mom, huh? Have I started seeing things now? Andrew? Really? My voice staggers. Andrew? Come inside. How unexpected. How am I supposed to react? Come to your senses, Scarlett. Straighten up. Have a seat. Let me brew you a cup of hot tea. Serving tea? It seems you have finally come to your senses. Well, let's see how you will ask for forgiveness, pleading for me to come back with you. A while later. Here, your tea. I hope it's to your liking. It seems you've realized your insolence. Good. Sorry? To clear any misconception, I'd like to mention this. Serving tea is a way of showing kindness to our guests. My mom has always taught me to show generosity to people. His facial expression darkens. Be confident, Scarlett. May I know the reason you came here? Coming to see a cheater whom you see as a blot on your name, image, reputation, and an embarrassment for your family is quite intriguing for a person who keeps his pride under control, don't you think? Sigh. Scarlett, still keeping up the attitude, huh? Well, you don't need to anymore. Your purpose was my attention, and now you have it, so… Is it your father this time, or still your mother's? He looks flabbergasted. What? Don't you remember the words you spoke in our previous encounter? Well, it's okay if you don't, for I vividly remember, just as if it happened yesterday, because it hit me hard, you know. You clearly stated that marrying me was for your mother's happiness, for household management, and because you needed an attendant for your father due to his poor health. It was merely a marriage made for convenience, and you had no interest in me other than that, according to the way you put your sentence together. I had no intention of catching your eye, but for you to have a realization of something. Unfortunately, you failed to see that, just like you always have, Andrew. Scarlett, what else could there possibly be? What other reason do you want me to give you for your satisfactions? These words stab me like a dagger, leaving immense pain, and his unwavering, hard voice echoes in my ears. Why? Why, Andrew? Why do you still wait? Or is it just me deceiving myself, thinking he is lying and not admitting he has me in his heart? Andrew, is there really nothing? No, Scarlett, you can't let out your tears yet. There is still more to talk about. I press my lips together. Yes, you're right. What else could there be for you to have me in your life, right? What did you say? It seems after leaving the house, you've started spreading your wings, that now you even know how to talk back, huh? So this is how you're going to play it. Then I suppose I should deal with it this way. You're right, Andrew. Now, after leaving, I finally feel free from everything and can do as I please because, right now, I'm in my own house. Will you believe it? So, these are your true colors, the ones you were hiding this whole time. My mother and sister were right about you deceiving us with that innocent-looking face of yours after all. I'm glad I wasn't fooled by you. You're correct. You made a wise decision listening to them. After all, who in their right mind would doubt their own family over a third person? What's with this sudden change in her attitude? What is she plotting? Right. Now that you accept this, apologize and come back with me. Take care of my father since Mom is having difficulty doing everything herself. Coming to me when you need me to do something and then trashing me as you please, huh? I don't want to.